because they think that she doesn't know to sing. But one day, the elephant starts singing her birthday, and the monkey hears the elephant. The monkey runs and goes to look for his friends. The giraffe, the lion, and the hippopotamus. Then they knock the door and shout, "Chippy, Chippy!" And Chippy the elephant says, "1 minute, now I come with you." "Okay," said the animal. "Hello, Kitty the monkey, Minnie the giraffe, Lily the lion, and Flippy the hippopotamus. Chippy, do you want to sing with us in the concert?" "Okay, but we need to practice," said Chippy. "Yes, of course," said her friends.
And the men every day for singer and prepare the concert. They do of the concert. They present start. Now let's start the concert. Please, is never and the animals to come every day was good. Please let's welcome Dolphin Singers Group on the start page. La 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 ho. On they very good. Was welcome West got the start group on the start page. Wah 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 in the tent. They do it slow. So. Now let's welcome Beach Club Group on the start page. Tuki 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 slow. They do very good. Let's welcome this Fifi Place Group on straight place. They start dancing a deaf song. They dancing very good. And the last like welcome Happy Animals and start place. They beach well welcome. Happy. When they start dancing too. They do it perfect. And the group start with welcome and the group are very happy. The concert is the present side of all of you think are the winner and you the animal is side not nothing final the
the brothers don't have a man and a rat. The friends are the animals, but this isn't the problem. The problem is that they have a lion king. The king orders the animals and the children. The lion is bad and gives bad orders.
One day the animals go to the lion's castle, and children want to resolve the problem. When they are to castle, the cat and the lion, they three resolve the problem, but the lion did not accept.
The next day, the brothers and the animals prepared a party of the Lion King to solve the problem. In the party, they had 8 green balloons, a cake, music. With the party, the king realized that he is broke. At the end of the party, they solved everything. The end.
The party of the bear. One day, the only bear in the jungle go out for a walk in the forest, and he goes to find the animals, the dog, the cat, the rabbit, the crocodile, the mouse, the bird, and the squirrel. The next day, all the animals have a party, and they play different games.
The crocodile goes to look for a party. The animals prepare a party for the bear. When the crocodile in the party, everybody gets the food ready, but the bear is very angry and eats everything, and he doesn't let food to the other animals. When the bear starts trying to go home, he has to cross a river, and the crocodile falls in the river. There's room to say.
Say it. The end, it's finished.
Where a pig and a giraffe, the pig and the other animals were prepared a party of the giraffe because she was 20 years old. Wolf prepared the party the lion who was very angry. Found the giraffe walking around the lake. The lion and the lion beat the giraffe and shot them.
The lion converted to be furious because he's very sorry for eating the giraffe. The giraffe shoot into a house for the animals were very happy because the giraffe had gained. The giraffe went to the party in a goose fur, and the lion said, "Sorry, giraffe." Then the giraffe and the lion were dancing all the night.
Evil Giant. A long time ago, in Middle Age in Berga, the giants of older party, they closed in a hall of the city. One day of full moon, the giants has life and breaks the door of the hall. Then escapes with the city and then go to the forest. Then has found a old witch. They asked she had a potion for revive the giant. Of course, said the witch. Thank you, said the giant. The giants made a bonfire to decide the revenge against the Catalonian people. They decided to revive all the giants of Catalonia.
And destroy Berga and dominate Catalonia. The people of were scared and screamed on person for them. A super kid have to open other planet. This planet has a super barrage. If you superpower, the superpowers are if flight, super force, and super velocity, and niche vision. He stopped the giants, and the master giant said, "You are not able to win. Super Key kill all the giants and close the giants in a prison. He killed the master giant and win. Hooray!" shouted the people of Catalonia, and life with no more wars. The end.
Very good.